can see his hand in front of his face. Family! Here you go. Spotted us just about. I turn this microphone off. This is when you get... Oh, he found us straight away. No, he hasn't. Family! Oh. He knows where we are now at least. Family! You've got about 3 seconds. Tell me about I was wanting your job, mate. Good lad. Right, give us that. Go on, that's very important. Right, you should keep your head up. So, can you hold them on your own to a photo, yeah? Keep quite strong. The glove probably weighs more than him. When you throw arrows and birds of prey, you have to be quite careful, because they are quite heavy, and you'll drop your arm lower and lower like she is now, and they'll walk to the highest point, which is your head. So you have to be a little bit careful with them. You want to get him back over there? Up over. Well done. We'll give one more go over. He's doing a little bit of flying here, and then I'll get something a little bit different off. Because as I said there's only so much you can do with Wembley before he goes, Ben, I am sick of kids now, and he'll go land in the boxing with him there. He said, I've had enough. And that's how it works. Someone over here who wants to go. Do you want to go? You go right on that side. Look at me. Come this way, I can't go too near that thing. It's like we're in a spaceship. You have to come towards me a little bit. Hey family, you get off and move in. Don't shout at me, go. Look, I'll give her a round of applause for helping us watch it all. Right then, I'll get family put away and we'll get something a bit different. I think I'm going to fly for you a little vulture, but it's a bit of a sub story with it.
It's a
so I'll have to tell you a little bit of story with them. Can you finish that? My fairy can eat it quite quick, usually.
It's probably a chicken leg or something. Lovely.
Good man. Right, you pull your arm out there. Hold on.
Wait, where's he going?
Back under control. Oh dear, this is where he flies off right at the end of the day. Don't go in there.
He's going to get some ice cream.
He's going for an ice cream.
You know, he's very, very good, but he'll flash with his next bird. Because it's a little bit of a sad story with her. She's come quite a long way. Because when we first went to go get this bird, she was kept in a garage. We bought her from a guy who kept her in a garage. We thought it was a good place to keep her. It wasn't. She was kept on the concrete floor. Her feet were in a horrible condition. She had a big cut on her breastbone there for landing on concrete and snapped feathers. So she wasn't in the best of ways. So we brought her back and we started just doing very simple work with her. And then we put her in an aviary to get her feathers looking half decent and fed her loads of good grub like squirrel, rat and all like that. And we left her in there for about a year and she started looking good. I know everyone's thinking looking good. Have you seen how ugly it is? It's inside what counts as Myrtle. But after that year, she was looking alright. We thought, we'll get her out of this aviary and we'll start seeing what she can do. We opened the aviary door and she escaped and was living wild on North Yorkshire for 34 days. So she hasn't had the best of starts. But in them 34 days, we saw her flying over the house about 700 foot. So we knew this thing can fly. And this is what I want to show you. It actually fly. Because people think these vultures just run about the floor and look a bit daft. Which they do very well. But it's not what they can do at the vet. Get back over here. Myrtle. This way please. Just take your time, it's alright. Good lads. So if I get one flight of her, like a circuit, like she could go over the house, we're not going for 700 foot or anything spectacular, just a simple circuit, I'll be over the moon. So here she goes. She's going for a very awkward angle, out the tree, she lands in that tree, she's in so much trouble. She's landed in the tree. Right then. This is where everyone goes, he's not getting that back. And you're probably right. But she's very, very good, and we'll make her way back out of them quite quickly. But I don't like to feed her out the trees, because it's saying, oh, well done, you've went to a tree. So I like her to come back of her own accord, really. But you can't really see me there. Oh, that would look like a bit of a crash landing. Back in, please. Give me a round of applause. It was all right. A bit of style about your flight. Just a big crash landing that was. Right, we'll get there. Should we try one more of her? She's in quite a good mood. We're going for one more of her, but it needs to be a good one.
That's all there was.
So what I do is I open my hands out like this and say, I've got no food for you. You need to get off and get moving for me to feed you, not look like that. Come here, please. Don't bite me. Right, here we go. You've got a couple more chances to do this today. Now, as I said, there's not much breeze for these birds. When the breeze is there, that's when you get the lift and you get that fantastic flying. She has to really work for it. Now, we're a bit of an unusual creature, these turkey vultures. You are going to be hard work today. We're a little bit of an unusual creature, the turkey vultures. You can see they've got a horrible, ugly bald head, and they've got a hole right through the nose there. And that, where you can see right through it, is for a sense of smell. Because I reckon these things can smell about 15 kilometres away, like a rotting carcass or something like that. It's a pretty good way. That's like the next kebab shop along in York, she's smelling that now. So, you have to imagine what she's doing. I might have to give up with this bird in a second or two. It's quite a small arena, so I'm not going to push her too hard, but I'll give her one more chance. If she doesn't do it, I'm not going to... I'd love you. Here we go. One more chance, Myrtle. No messing about now. You'd like KFC in the middle of here, if you do well. If not, like vegetarian world or something. Even an happy vulture in the middle. Get going. She'll usually have a bit of a rouse now, which is a ruffle of the feathers and a realign of all the feathers, and then she'll get going. In about 5, 4, 3, 2.5. Go! Right, that's it. Some places, fantastic with Myrtle. You can get some lovely flying out of her. Some places, just not built for her. Of me Labrador. But it just doesn't work like that. These red kites, well, the black kites are about 2 ounces smaller, so there's not much difference in them. He's a little bit smaller, and we've not got as much of a forked tail as the red kites. But when they're in the air, these things do look huge, because they have what you call a lightly loaded wing, which means they've got a massive, huge wingspan compared to the size of the body, so they get off and soar and glide effortlessly and look just mooch about. But when they're up there, they're not catching Labradors or kids. They're catching little insects as they're going about, only tiny little feet on them. And this is what I want to try and show you, how you'll catch these insects. But if you're a black kite, you don't want to go off, catch an insect, land with it and eat it. Look down. You best turn around now, Clifford, good lad. So what I'm going to try and show you here is how they'll catch these insects. Now, if he catches 2 of these bits of chicken in a row, I'll be over the moon. But this part in the stroke, do not look up with your nose open in amazement, as it does go wrong now and again. What you have to watch for is he's passing the food from his feet to his beak. Oh! Right over your heads. One more and I'm over the moon. I think he's dropped it there. Sorry, Solo. One more. Look at that, give me a round of applause. Well done, Clifford. Now then, this is the hard bit, getting him back in the middle. It's quite a still day, so we shouldn't have much trouble. Hi! I think he's just enjoying it a little bit today. Now then. Good lad, eat that little bit there, that's done. He's a lovely little thing and he does fly very well. Doesn't usually put a foot wrong, but last time I was here he did land in them trees up there and I couldn't get him back down. So I want him to do quite well today, so I'm going to keep it quite simple. Now, the ones you found through from Greenland, north of Canada, really cold places. So on a day like today, he does struggle a little bit. Right, you get on there please, Jack. Now he'll fly very different to all the other birds I've just brought for you. He'll fly to a thing called the swing lure, which you have to imagine is a pigeon I've got in this bag. I haven't. It's a bit of leather and a bit of string. But it works quite well, and it's a bit like a game this. Get away. Wait there. Technical difficulties here. Don't click this. usually kicks me elbows as he goes. Here we go. Right then. As soon as this lure comes out, it's a bit like a game. I can pick on quite a few here. It's a bit like a game. But he's not really teasing this bird, he quite enjoys it, because he knows if he catches this lure, I'll give him the food what's on it. Before I want him to have it. Well, watch out. He'll go through them trees quite nicely there. But I'll always give him this food on this lure, he knows that. It's just when he's going to get it. Now, he's very, very good and quite clever as well. Because he'll use the trees as obstacles so I can't see where he's coming from. He'll use the sun when it's out to try and blind. I'm not aiming for you two on the shoulders, I thought. He'll use the sun when it's out to try and blind me. He's very, very bright and very, very agile, as you can see. What we want to see out of him though is that vertical swoop. Where they're reaching them speeds of 200 mile an hour, the peregrine. This thing not so fast, only about 120. But it's still coming up. Now we use these birds not just for shows, these falcons. We use them for pest control. We go on big factories and scare thousands of seagulls off the roof. Now, you don't really have to catch a pigeon with these birds to scare them off. Catch a seagull with these birds to scare them off. It's a bit like when the boss put it in the best way describable. Letting one of these go in a group of seagulls is a bit like letting a tiger go in a football stadium. Everyone get out of the way quite quickly. And that's how it works. There's not really enough breeze to get this vertical swoop today. I'm trying for it. Maybe on this one here. To run right underneath him. No. Now it's not him you have to worry about hitting you though. It's me with this bit of string here. So put the hooks and guards out of the way. We'll give him a couple more because you can see the beak's open quite a little bit. And I'm getting quite tired as well, being the finely tuned athlete that I am. He is pulling me in a bit. But this falcon can go like this all day, he's very, very fit. And I can do about 60 of these swoops of this lure with him in a day. So you can keep going. He's deserved it yet? Yeah?
Give it Tom.
Right then. Not this one, on the next one. We'll let him have it. Now imagine he's striking a pigeon out the air. Like a really wild pigeon, here we go. Give him a round of applause, well done Jack. I was a little bit out of breath there.
Look, you can see my
And when he's on the floor like that, as I said with the owl, they're quite vulnerable now. To like a wild golden eagle coming over the top of them and nicking their food, so they wrap the wings around it like that. And you have to get it eaten quite quickly. It's a bit like you running a marathon or some grannies or Sunday night, you just be like, oh. And what he's doing there right now is mantling. It's where the word mantelpiece from. Like a bird of prey surrounds its kill, like mantelpiece surrounds the foot of your fire. Works the same. I'll give him this, let him finish his food then, you can come over and see the rest of the birds. Thank you very much for watching and that.